Hi, this is Diana at Guaranty RV. We're going to look at the 2020 iconic Eclipse. It's a T39142. Come on in, we're going to show you inside. This is also an official toy hauler of the Supercross, so a lot of room for your toys. We have the big open floor plan here with the 2 chairs, fold-out bed, and a double bunk up there. Also makes into a bed, large couch, combo fridge. We have stainless steel appliances. Also a nice big stainless steel sink here. One solid sink with the nice stainless steel faucet. A lot of cabinetry, solid wood, nice backsplash. We'll come down here to the restroom. We have a nice restroom with the corner shower, Jack and Jill doors, so you can come in through either side. Stainless steel and a porcelain tank on the toilet. And here we have the master with the queen size bed. Tons of deep storage for all your things for when you guys are out playing, having a good time with your toys. So we'll come around here. Nice walk around bed, and this has a air conditioning in the master as well. So this will be a nice floor plan for all your toys. It has about 16-17 feet of space for all your motorcycles, quads. So here we have a nice big awning, power awning. We have 6 wheels, handle all the weight. Life's an adventure, so take yours on the iconic. We have the filling station for your Onan generator. We have your freshwater city water connection, your outdoor shower here, and your hot water heater. Here is your nice Onan generator. It's a 5500. Nice big generator for you. All right.